Luxor Station, right? Luxor Station.
Train's coming soon.
Yep, night train, right? You excited for the night train?
Yeah, with our beds.
Yeah. Pretty awesome, right? Our train. And the sleeper cabins are coming. Sleeper car, you see? Sleeper car. Sleeper car. You see? Pretty cool, right? Hello. I think
9 and 10. Cabin number 9 and 10.
okay, in there. Go inside. Don't fall in. 9 and 10. Find 9 and 10, okay? To the right. 9 and 10. Nine and 10, right? Here. 9 and 10! Right here.
9 and 10.
All right, open it up, open it up. Push, push, push. You gotta push, you gotta push. Whoa, look at this, look at this. Look at how cool this is.
Sleeping on the bottom books.
Yeah. Oh, this looks strong. Daddy will sleep on top, okay? Or you want me to squish you? You afraid I'm gonna squish you? Wow.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, cool, right?
Oh my god, first night train turned out great.
Yeah.
Here.
Hey, you want to keep that putting it back? What's that? What's that?
What
is it?
It's like a bathroom sink and stuff. Whoa.
Oh man. Oh, you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
It's a sink in there.
There's a plug there.
Yep. Yep. We don't need to try that.
Oh my god.
And this is the beds, right? Cool, right?
There's a bed, there's a curtain here, you can hang up stuff there. Whoa. Window there.
Yeah, window. Bed, window. Right, there's a space.
This is
a space for our stuff up here. Right, cool.
Space for stuff, put it up there.
Hey, don't go to sleep yet.
What?
So what is this?
Nighttime, I'm tired.
Okay, what is this?
My first night train.
And what continent is your first night train?
Africa.
And from what city to what city?
Luxor to Cairo.
And how old are you?
7.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Excited, right? First night train.
And also I discovered the pillows.
Yep. Cool. Dinner time. So what'd you get? Let's see.
Let's see, first one. Ooh, rice?
Looks good.
Yeah.
Okay. What's next?
Second one.
Some beans, right? Looks good. And what's that? That looks probably the meat. Vegetables. Okay, not bad, right?
Yeah, not bad.
What else is there? Is there some hummus over there and some bread? Here.
Oh, and there's also...
Oh, there's meat in there. That's meat, not full. And look, you have dessert, right?
Dessert? Wow.
Good, right?
We're really good at making breakfast here. And it's all for free.
Yeah.
This looks good and it's all for free. Price is good.
How's the meat?
Can't try that yet. Okay. Fork out.
Good.
Well, that's good. Surprising.
Eat those vegetables. Come on.
I'm gonna be like a fancy guy, so I'm gonna do this and cut it like that. Yeah. This is what fancy people do, right?
Yeah.
They cut peas. Everybody, yeah, it's fancy is known for doing this, right? cutting Pete. Whatever.
Look how cool it is, right? How was your sleep last night? Good? Yeah? Still sleepy? Where are we going today?
Cairo.
Well, after that, we're getting off Giza Station, and then where? Yeah? Ptolemy City. In the morning. 5:14. What do you have for breakfast? So you want to hear something funny? So I'm up there and I'm trying to get down, and I open the door and say, hold on, I'm gonna jump down. And you know what he does? He goes, okay, sir. And he takes the wheel sideways and throws him on my bed. Isn't that funny? And I'm like, what? Everything's falling all over my bed. And he's like, coffee and tea, sir. And I'm like, wait, hold on. He's just, here, I'll put it here. I'll throw it here. He can't wait for people to wake up, right? He doesn't have enough time. But it was just funny. He put it sideways and threw it on my bed and ran away and closed the door. Yeah. Oh. What do we got? We got juice, some bread, some croissant. Yeah.
Mango juice.
All right. Very good.